Exclusive, Kinla, a Franklin brass collection, will create a fun new home improvement project, while delivering inspired bathroom decor with coordinating faucet, showerhead and bathroom accessory option. Style. Create an easy-going and comfortable atmosphere in your bathroom with this bathroom towel holder. Accomplish a relaxed, spa-like bathroom with casual bath hardware accessories. Organization. Part of everyday life, this wall-mounted towel holder brings order and style to the bathroom. Long-lasting. Has a durable, long-lasting finish to help prevent corrosion, tarnish or discolor, so you can enjoy a look you love for life. Installation. Installation instructions and hardware included. Top reviews from the United States. Great towel ring. Had to watch a YouTube video to install my first towel ring, but it was super easy and looks absolutely perfect in my newly done bathroom.